hi friends! Arlie and I are just speaking about what we're going to do today. So, what do you think, Arlie?
Well, I want to take a trip somewhere magical and special, somewhere far and somewhere educational.
So, we came up with a great idea. We are going to travel to sub-Saharan Africa and go on an African safari. And we're inviting all of you along with us. Now, how are we going to get there, Arlie? It's really far, Africa.
Well, we're going to create an African safari with Play-Doh and kinetic sand, and we're going to create the safari right here in our home.
So, there you have it, folks. We will be creating a safari with all the animals right here in our home, and we're going to show you how you can create a safari in your home too. All you need is some Play-Doh, some kinetic sand, some toys, and lots of information about the animals that you're going to need to make. Today we are going to make an elephant, a lion, and a giraffe. So please watch these series of videos as we make Play-Doh animals, and so you can do these at your house too. And if you're watching and you like our videos, please like us and subscribe to our channel on YouTube so you can know all about our videos first. Now I will be showing you how to make an elephant. We will be using blue Play-Doh, To begin making your elephant, we will need Play-Doh. I'm using blue Play-Doh in a large, medium, and small. Take your large Play-Doh. Take your medium Play-Doh and make 4 parts. Now I'm rounding the edges of the Play-Doh because this will be the body of the elephant and this will be the face of the elephant, so I want it pretty round and smooth. These 4 parts will be the legs, this part's for the trunk, and these parts for the ears. let's put it all together to create our elephant. Now I'm just connecting the legs to the body and blending in the lines with the Play-Doh.
Yep.
Oh, Mommy! Elephants have such large ears! Oh, and don't forget the tail!
Thank you, Arlie! So now I need to make a little tail for the elephant after I put the ears on. White Play-Doh for the eyes.
Mom, the elephant looks great. Now, can you tell me some fun facts about elephants?
Sure, Arlie. I know a few things about elephants. First, elephants are herbivores. That means they only eat plants. And elephants can eat for up to 16 hours a day. That's more than half of the day. Elephants have the largest brains of all animals. They must be so smart. Elephants have a lifespan of up to 70 years old. There are two species of elephants. There is an African species and an Asian species, and a subspecies of the Asian species that live in India. And elephants are an endangered species. So there you go, Arlie. A few fun facts about elephants. So Arlie, let's continue on with the other animals in the African safari. So if you're watching, please watch the other episodes as we make more animals. Come along. Hey friends! In this episode, we will be making a giraffe. The giraffe will go into our safari, our Play-Doh safari. So be sure to watch all the episodes so you can make your safari at home with Play-Doh. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get updates of our latest videos. Hey Arlie, I'm glad you're here so you can help me with this giraffe that we're going to make. What do you say? Do you want to watch me and learn some things about giraffes?
Oh yes, Mom! And when you're done, can you please
teach me some fun facts about giraffes? Yes, that's right. Stay tuned for after I make the Play-Doh giraffe because I'm going to teach you some interesting facts about giraffes. First, we need yellow Play-Doh, some brown Play-Doh for the spots, and a little bit of white Play-Doh, and that'll be it. In addition, we'll also need 2 straws. We will be using straws for our giraffe because giraffes are so tall, the straws are going to help support the giraffe. I'm going to cut 1 straw into 4 parts for 4 legs. Next, I'm going to divide my Play-Doh. Some for the legs, some for the long neck and the face, and then some for the body. I'll take my other straw and I'm going to cut a long piece for the neck. So let's get started in making our giraffe. I've created 4 legs for the giraffe, I've created the body for the giraffe, and now I'm going to create the neck with the help of a straw. Now it's time for the giraffe's head. The giraffe head will have many little details, so watch closely. Now we will be making spots for the giraffe.
Mom, you are so gifted. That looks beautiful.
Oh, thanks, Arlie.
You're welcome, Mother.
Now I'm going to put the legs on. I'm pushing the straw into the body of the giraffe. We're getting closer. Now we need to put on the neck. finally our head. There's one more final touch to the giraffe, and those are hooves. So I have a piece of brown, I cut it into 4 parts. Hi Mom, that giraffe is fantastic. Can you please tell me some information about the giraffe? Why sure, Arlie dear. The giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. The age of the giraffe can be known by the color of its spots. The lighter the color of its spots, the younger it is, and the darker its spots, the older it is. Giraffes have these things on their head called ossicones. The males have ossicones that are bald, and the females have a little tuft of hair on the ossicones. The males use their ossicones to protect their head when they're fighting, also called necking, because they swing their necks at each other to fight. 3 fun facts about giraffes. Now, stay tuned and watch our other episodes as I make more animals for our safari. Hi friends, and welcome back. In this episode, I'm going to be making a lion out of Play-Doh for our Play-Doh safari. If you haven't seen all of the episodes, be sure to watch them and also be sure to subscribe to our channel. In our episodes, you can see how to make 5 animals for a safari.
Hey Mom, what animal are you going to make today?
Oh Arlie darling, today I'm going to make the king of the jungle, a lion. And the lion you can put into the safari as well.
Oh, that's so cool, Mom. Can you tell me some fun facts about lions too?
Sure, Arlie, and I'll tell the viewers watching also. First, lions are the king of the jungle. Actually, lions are the most sociable of large cats. They hang out in groups. Sometimes, these groups are called prides, and sometimes they can be up to 15 lions. While males hang around and defend the territory, the female lions usually do the hunting. Lions were once in Africa and Asia and even Europe. But now today, lions can only be found in Africa. And a small group of lions still remains in India in a national park. But that's it. Now, please, stay tuned and listen and watch so you can make your own lion from Play-Doh at home. I've prepared everything that we need to make a lion. There's a round ball for the head, another shape for the body, 4 legs, and some extra parts for the details, and 1 orange piece for the lion's mane. Now watch and see how I put it all together. I'm using a straw for extra support of the head. There we go, it's coming together. This is the lion's mane, only found on male lions. So this lion we're making will be male. There he is, the king of the jungle. We'll add him into our safari, and please watch the next episode. And finally, the last detail, the lion's tail. The king of the jungle is now complete. Now please stay tuned and watch our other episodes where we make more animals for our safari. Hi friends, I'm here with Arlie and we are making Play-Doh. Today we are going to make a crocodile from Play-Doh. Arlie will tell you all about it.
Hi friends! So today we are going to make an African safari, and a crocodile is going to be inside of the African safari. I want to tell you 3 fun facts about crocodiles. First, crocodiles are reptiles. There are 14 species of crocodiles or alligators, whichever you want to call them. And alligators or crocodiles have the strongest bite of any animal.
Wow, that means we're gonna put some big teeth on this crocodile. Now, please watch so you can do this at home and have a lot of fun. I'm starting to lay out all the pieces that I'll need for the crocodile. I have green. Just a touch of red. Now let's get started. Please watch. I'm starting to make this half of the shape longer for the tail of the crocodile. And it'll get smaller and smaller towards the end. Now I'm going to start making the head of the crocodile. So I'm pinching it. Now I'm going to cut a mouth. Now I'm using red because the mouth is open and we can see inside of the alligator's mouth. And now white for teeth. Teeth, as you can see, into little triangles. I've finished the upper teeth, and now it's time for the bottom teeth. and nose. And now we are going to make an environment for our alligator. I have blue here, perfect for a lake for our alligator to hang out in. So, all I do is make a ball. So please try this at home. You can make a really cool effect. You can put your crocodile into the water by making a blue Play-Doh pool. So please stay tuned to our next episode where we'll be making more things out of Play-Doh. See you there! Hi, Arlie.
Oh, hi, Mother. Are you getting ready to do the last animal in the safari?
That's right, Arlie. Do you know what I'm gonna make?
What are you gonna make?
I'm gonna make a hippopotamus.
Oh, Mother, please tell me everything about the hippopotamus.
Well, Arlie, unfortunately there's no time to tell you everything about the hippopotamus, but I can tell you 3 fun facts about the hippopotamus, or hippo for short. Now, the hippo can't swim. I know, it's crazy, it's always in the water. That's because hippos are semi-aquatic animals, meaning they hang out in lakes and rivers and swamps, but always so their feet can touch the ground. They can't swim. Hippos are only in sub-Saharan Africa, which is perfect for our Play-Doh safari because our Play-doh safari will be in sub-Saharan Africa. And finally, hippos have a very special skin. It has to be wet almost the whole day. That's why they hang out in water almost the whole day. Can you imagine? Your skin is always thirsty. Whew. Anyway, let's get started. I'm going to be using purple. That's right. Our hippopotamus is going to be purple. So, first we're going to do some setup. I'm going to need 3 parts for the hippo. 1 large part, 1 medium part, and 1 small part. Shape your parts into round balls. Now, I need a little bit of white for the eyeballs. And finally, a colored Play-doh for the eyeballs. I'm going to use pink. Why not? And our hippopotamus will be swimming in water, of course, because hippos love water. They need water, actually. So I'll have the blue ready on the side to make a lake. Let's get started. Now it's time for the details of the hippopotamus. I'm going to add eyes. The hippo is ready. Now I'm making a large body of water that can fit the hippo and the crocodile peacefully together. Here we are! We're going to put together our safari, so please watch closely. Begins with water. I will be using kinetic sand. Very fun stuff. This is the mountain in the back probably volcanic. Now we need a little life. How about a tree? Our hippo has entered the water. And here comes the crocodile. Our giraffe. The Playdough safari is complete. We have a hippo, a crocodile, the lion, the king of the jungle, a giraffe, and an elephant. So, please try this out at your home and make a whole safari and have a lot of fun. See you next time. And remember to subscribe to our channel and like it, and watch our next episode. Bye until then. Bye everyone.